Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable 48MP resolution on iPhone's camera. To let your camera use such resolution, you're gonna have to enable this feature in settings. So, in settings, navigate to camera menu, then navigate down to formats section and open it, and then make sure that the resolution control is enabled, and if not, then toggle it on. After that, open the camera application on your iPhone, tap on HEIF icon, and select 48MP. Then let's take a photo. And then to check the photo's resolution, swipe up from the bottom and check the megapixel count right here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.